The next student is Hassan Abdullah, whose topic is the plight of Palestine.
The plight of Palestine is a wound that cuts deep into the heart of the Muslim world. It's a reminder of our collective failure to protect our own, to stand up for justice, and to defend the innocent. Palestine is not just a piece of land, it's faith, it's sacrifice, it's the place that has absorbed the blood of the hundreds of the thousands of people. It's Palestine. It's about crisis that has been ongoing for decades, a crisis that has been ignored, neglected, and marginalized by the international communities. Yes, I'm talking about the plight of Palestine. The occupation of Palestine by Israel is not just a political issue. It's a religious issue. It's a humanitarian crisis. It's a crisis that has resulted in the displacement of the billions of Palestinians, the destruction of their homes, their livelihoods, and their communities. When we see the suffering people of Palestine, when we see Sheikh Khalid playing with his granddaughter, when we see him kissing her eyes, when we see him saying, "Soul of my soul," and when we also see Sheikh Khalid as a martyr, so we are reminded the struggles of our own prophets and messengers. We are reminded the struggles of our own ancestors who fought against injustice and oppression. But the plight of Palestine is not just a symbol of oppression. It's a symbol of resistance. It's a symbol of resilience, the courage, the determination of the Palestinian people. So what can we do to help them? What can we do to help them in the struggles of freedom? We need to raise awareness about the plight of Palestine. We need to take action. We need to educate our families and our communities about the history of Palestine. We need to pray for Palestinian people. We need to pray for their safety, for their security, and for their freedom. The plight of Palestine is not just a Palestinian issue. It's an issue that affects the entire Ummah. It's an issue that affects our collective humanity, our dignity, and our faith. Thank you.